Well, we're talking about Miele Dishwasher, which has some really great features. And one is, so if you didn't have any hardware on, this would be a great feature because you just knock on the dishwasher, it'll automatically open. But the more practical purpose of this is at the end of the drying cycle, the Miele Dishwasher will automatically open, so you don't have to go open it yourself, and that allows the dishes to dry better. So Miele also has this third rack where you can get all your silverware in, so you have more room in the bottom two racks of your dishwasher. Completely adjustable and can really fit a lot of stuff into them.